Hi everyone, today I'll be going to my first ever radiation related conference in Birmingham, so let's go together. So I woke up at around 10 and I booked my bus at 11:25, so that 1 hour is enough for me to get ready. So I took a shower quickly. I had prepared everything that I needed to take with me. Here I just prepared a few outfits. I prepared soap for showering. I prepared the sunscreen, definitely it's getting hot. My poster, you see my poster here ready, my laptop, and yeah, it's only 3 days anyway, so there is no need for me to pack so many things. For this arrival day, I decided to just put on my yellow pants and my black top, and I carried in a pair of shoes, indoor shoes, just in case. Then after, I just carried whatever I prepared and left, headed to National Express coach station. Birmingham, here we go. We arrived at exactly 3 p.m. so the journey took about 3 hours and 35 minutes. And after arriving at the station, I walked to my hotel from a National Express coach station in Birmingham to where my hotel is, which is in B15. It took about 30 minutes, so I walked there. And yeah, I'll show you how my hotel looks like inside. It's really cool, yeah, so let's go. After arriving at my hotel, I went to the reception area. I got the keys, the cards that do close and open the door. And then after, I got the instructions on whatever I needed and then headed to the 15th floor where I'll be spending the 3 nights. So let's go. Within a few seconds, I was on the 15th floor. I opened my room and entered. I turned on the lights, and then after, I started exploring the room. Looks beautiful. Oh. Yeah, there are 2 beautiful beds, and oh my god, look at what's outside through the window. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at the beds. Oh, in green, I love the color. Look at the mirror. I love this. Yeah, I do love this. I dropped some of my stuff there and I started, checking things in detail. Yeah, I was checking that lamp. Yeah, and then after, I think I went to the bathroom after that. Oh, yeah, I was checking the cups. 2 cups, yeah, for us. and then glasses to take water and tea respectively. Oh, the mirror. Shake, shake, baby. Then after, I went to the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom looks great. It's really clean. And yeah, they have gels, but I brought my Dove soap, so I'm good to go. Yeah, I was trying to, I was talking, but I was trying to, I don't know, I was trying to get some good angles for some good pictures. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, I was making sure that the door is locked there. Yeah, locked. And then what did I? Yeah, shake, shake. Oh God, yeah. So at that point, I decided to unwrap my poster to see, because I haven't practiced my poster, so I'm going to spend this entire evening practicing it. So I decided to use the two glasses and the two cups they left in the room for us to just unwrap hold my poster, so you can clearly see it. You'll see it after I unwrap it. Come on, Annette, be quick. Yeah, here we go. Oh my goodness, look at it in all its glory. Now, tissue neurovascular unit damage after brain radiation. Yeah, and that's our recently published article. So please, you can scan and go read it. Check it out. Yeah, it's out. Neurovascular. No. Yeah, I was just excited. Yeah. I don't know what I was saying there, but I think I was talking about the beauty of the room. Yeah. That's all, guys. And after my room tour, I went to Sainsbury to get some dinner. And after, I have just finished eating, so I'm sleeping soon. Good night.